water, cubed ice, and crushed ice. And you put the water in from here, and you can put so there's like an ice machine, so they can put crushed ice and a freezer. So it's like very nice place. Stuff. And this one even has this.
For eggs.
Yeah.
Okay. Show
And
us
this-
other one. Show us other one. This is a fridge part, yeah?
So this is a fridge. And
This is for vegetables. This is also for vegetables.
this
Oh,
one opens.
oh wow. And this is for juices
Yes.
and milks and eggs.
Fine. So this one, so you can.
Oh, this is automatic LG, yeah? And this has a glass door.
This
Open
one
it.
has-
Open it.
This one is a glass.
Oh wow.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of these this time,
Wow.
and then this thing, fresh water filler.
Oh good.
Look,
Oh wow. For yogurts and these things, isn't it?
metal fresh.
Okay.
Wait, another one.
This is for vegetables. Ooh.
Hi guys. So this one is like you can even watch what you want to like
Recipes.
a meal.
Yeah.
And Samsung American style. So let's open this one. There's even
A camera.
what? A camera? And another one of these things that you put your eggs in here. And this
Yeah.
is a water filler. And
Okay.
over here,
We need to see what this camera do.
does it show you from inside?
Yes. Oh, this is so sick
There's
with
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. It's a fridge with a tab, biggest tab in this world.
It's
With
like-
oh, you can put the music on. Is sick,
And
sick,
the-
sick. But
Wait, you can
no
you
application
can make
right now.
some things.
Yeah.
So this one is with this I
Yeah.
This is water, cubed ice, crushed ice. So cool. It's on. Amazing. There's even this inside and from Samsung. It's cold. Why did they put it in here? Looks very nice.
Mm.
Wait. What did you do?
Don't open it. Don't open it.
Nice. It's cold. And this one.
Oh, this one is also the same like LG. This screen
No,
one.
this one. Look at this. Look at this one. And this one has a egg thing again too. This one over here, it has so many maps. And over here you can put your vegetables. I think.
Oh, the freezer is down there.
And the freezer is over here. These two are together.
Okay. Ooh.
freezers.
Okay.
It's an ice box. There's an ice box.